All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got this, this is my 2023 Tesla Model Y. It's the long range. I've put the PPF on the entire painted surface of the car. That includes this back trunk lid, the deck here, the lower bumper area. When I ordered this, I had the shop that I ordered this from, I said to not cut out any of the logos, because normally there's a chrome Tesla T here, and then it normally says dual motor right here. Well, I wanted those off because I want to take those off, put the PPF all on this side, and then I'm going to put on this. This is a Tesla badge. This is kind of like what the new Highland Model 3 has, in that it's just Tesla letters. So they're black Tesla letters. It'll say Tesla here. So that's going to be the logo on the back instead of the chrome T. I didn't want the chrome T. I think this looks cool. This is like it's like a satin black. It's like the same sheen as the trim on the car, so I think it'll look pretty cool if we just put that right there. So I'm going to show you the steps to this. I'll leave a link to this. I got this on Amazon. This is pretty cheap. I think it's a good improvement. But it comes in this foam template, so that way you don't have to worry about spacing out the letters. They're already spaced out for you. And what I'm going to do is kind of find the center line here. I'm going to use the center line of this license plate right here. That's going to be my center. I'm going to line up the middle of the S with that, and then I'll just make sure that it's level side to side across the top, and then just press it down. I want to clean this off. I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel just to clean this area off. It does have PPF on it, and the PPF has been on there for a month or so, so it's just going to get that cleaned off. Okay, so I'm just going to, there's a little bit of dust on here. I'm going to get that cleaned off. And then this is just some rubbing alcohol. This will just get any grease, so that way the letters will stick. Okay, that's all clean. Let's get this out of this packaging here. I did this on my last car. My last car was black, and it blended in quite a bit. You couldn't really see it. I think this is going to look good on the gray because it'll provide just for enough contrast here. Eyeballing it here. Somehow there's a little line right here. It must be in the PPF. That looks like it's right on the center line right there, doesn't it? You'll see that line right there, right there. I'm not going to do it. I don't want to do it too high, not too low. Kind of like right when this starts curving upwards. I want to do it right, kind of like that. All right, I just want to, before I press it down, I just want to make sure I'm right in the center. How's that look? And I'm just pulling on the edges just to make sure there's, just to make sure it's not like it's stretched out all the way. Okay, so I think that's going to be our spot. I didn't measure it out. I just kind of eyeballed it, and I think it's going to look pretty good. So before I take this template off, I just want to push down each of the letters nice and firm. All right. Got those all all right, moment of truth. Let's take this part off. Okay, now let's take off the foam, this foam part. You just take that off. I think it looks really good. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like that it's this satin black. That was really, guys, I didn't really measure it out. I didn't even use a level. I just kind of eyeballed that, and it really turned out pretty good. Just going to go back over and press those down. The hardest part of this, guys, is just getting the old logos off. But just getting those off, polishing the area, that's probably the hardest part, is just getting the old decals, logos off, emblems off, and then getting this nice and clean. But this went on really easily. All right, guys, so as you can see, I think this turned out really good. In person, this looks awesome. I love the contrast on this color. I think this would look good with any color Tesla. I've tried this on a black one. You can't see it as well on black, but I think still looks awesome. So, guys, I'll leave a link to this down below, these letters. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.